Okay, this is the phone. I'm going to change the on and off button. This one is not working. Going to replace a new one. Okay, on and off. First thing you have to take out the two screws at the back here. Okay, after you take out the two screws at the back here, if you have this kind of machine, you can use it. If you don't have it, you can still use the pencil, but you have to very be careful you don't break the screen. Okay, just put it like this and close it. Okay, this one will help you to pull the screen. Okay, you just try to pull it a bit like this. Okay, if you don't have it, you can still use the pencil. Just put it here, put at the edge like this. Yes, it's up a bit. Okay, just try to put it in between the metal and the screen to open it, but don't push the pencil that much inside. Do it slowly like this. You open it right round. Okay, open it right round slowly like this. Slowly, just open it. Don't open it full from this side because the connector is from this side, from the volume side, so you have to open it slowly like this. Okay, then you try to pull it down and you just slide it from the side. Okay, slide it from the side. Now you need to take out all the screws here to disconnect the LCD. You have to remove the LCD. You have to remove the motherboard. Okay, so you take out the battery connector first. Remove this three screw here. There's a three screw you need to remove. So remove one panel here. Put the screw different places because sometimes iPhone have different screw. So to make it more easy for you, just make sure you put them different places how you take it. So it will be more easy for you. Take out this panel, put it close to the screw you remove so that you know that that screw is for that panel. Disconnect the battery. Okay, then remove this panel also. Take out all the screw, put them different places because iPhone sometimes have different screw. Okay, just put them exactly how you take them out so it will be more easy for you. If you take the one out, if you take from up, you put it from up. If you take from down, you put it from down, so it will be more easy for you. Okay, take out this panel also, put it close to the screw also so I know that the screw is for this panel. Disconnect the LCD cable. If one, you can use the rubber one like this. Don't use the metal one so you don't spoil any component. When you put it inside, don't push it down more. Just put it light close to the connector. You just open the connector. Don't push inside so you don't spoil any components. Okay. Take out the speaker cable also. Okay. If one, you can use your nails. If you have your nails, it's more better than use this one. Okay. Take out the LCD, put one side. Okay. You have to remove all these connectors. If you have a nails, use your nails. It's more better than use pincets or any other thing to remove the connector. Okay. Take out all the connectors. iPhone have different type of screw. You have to make sure you get all the screw to remove the screws. Okay. Take out this one. The one side. Any one you remove, you have to put it the same place. You put it the place exactly how you take it, so it will be easy for you to fix back. Don't forget, iPhone have different screw. You have to make sure you have all the tools for it. Remove this panel. Put it close to the screw you remove. At least you know that this panel is for this screw, so you do not get into doubt. So many connectors down there also. Take out these connectors. Okay. Be very be careful. Use your nails, is more better than use this rubber. Okay. Take out the SIM one also. Take out this one also here. Take it connected down there. Okay. Now you need to remove the SIM card base. Okay. Take out the screw here. Put it here. And take out there's a metal there also. Remove this metal. This is the art for the screen. So put it close to the screw you remove. So you know that this one is for this side. So it will be more easy for you to fix back. Okay. Take out this one also. another screw here, put it close to this side, so you know that is that area, at least you know it's the same place. Okay, remove the SIM tray, put it one side. Okay, then take out the SIM holder. There is a rubber here, you have to push this rubber a bit inside before you can remove the SIM holder, the SIM card base. You slowly take it out, use your hand, take it out, put it close to the screws, you know, as from this side. This is easy for you to know. Okay, now you come to this side. There's one screw here, it's two screw here also. You have to get the right screwdriver for it, like this ones. Remove this screw, put this one side, remove this one also, put this here at the top, because this one at the top, so it will be easy for you to know. Okay, remove this panel here. This panel have a clip this side. Okay, when you remove it, you have to push it, a bit to remove the clip from this side. Put it close to the screw, you know that's from that side. Okay, there's other connectors here, 3 connectors you need to take out. You see them, 3 connectors from this side. Connectors are here, these 3 you have to take them out. Okay, you sit up like this. Yes, this one up, this one is the on and off on. Remove this one also. Okay, now you take out the motherboard. Just try to raise the motherboard up like this. When you raise them up, you see some connector will hold them, but just try to push the connector so you can have access to take out the motherboard. Okay, remove the motherboard, put this one side. Okay, now you need to remove the camera, because the on and off pass through there, go there, it comes with the flashlight also. So you have to remove the camera. Put the screw one side. There's another one here. Put it one side. Okay. You try to take out the camera. Just remove the panel on top first. This one. Put it close to the screw. You need that this panel for this screw. Okay. Try to remove the camera. Take out the camera like this. Put it one side. Okay. The connector is right down there. Right down there. Okay. So you have to remove this camera also. This front camera. Remove it. The sensor. Put it one side. Okay. Okay. Now you need to open this screw to remove this panel here, because the flashlight is there. Comes down here, goes to the connector, goes to the on and off button. Okay. So you have to remove this screw here and remove another screw here also to take out this panel. Okay. Remove the screw first here in the edge there, at the corner there, side of the camera side here. There's a screw here you need to take out. Put it one side. Okay. Then you remove the panel is here. One more screw there also you have to take out. iPhone have so many screws. Okay. Remove this one also. Put it close to this other screw. It's black, so it will be more easy for you to know where you take it out. You have to remove this panel now. Okay. Put it close to the screw also, so you don't get confused. Okay. Okay. You see the flashlights here. It's with the mic also one set. Okay. Take it out. Remove it from this rubber. Glue is there. Okay. This one, the back cover already damaged, that's why this one come out. If the back cover is not damaged, this one is not coming out. So just remove this one. If your own back cover is never damaged, just try to remove the mic, disconnect the mic with it. Okay. Okay. Don't force to remove this other connector. There's another connector here. Don't force to remove it. This one is a bit hard connector. It's for like for the magnet side inside here, just open it a bit, just slide it a bit like this. We have access to take out this other one, just leave it like that. Okay, now you take out the two screw here to the on and off side. There's a two screw here you need to take out. Put it on one side, take out this other one here. Connector is there also, so make sure you just slide the connector sideways and put the screwdriver inside and try to open it. You have to be very skillful to do it. Take out the screw, put it one side, okay, and remove the on and off this one. Take it out, slide it like this and take it out. Okay, now it's time to fix the new one. This is the new one. Okay, you have to watch how the old one is. You see how it's bent here? You have just bend it like this, a bit like this, just a bit like this. Okay, then you put it inside back again here. Make sure you ease this connector up. Okay, you put it inside like this. Okay, make sure you go under this one also like this. Okay, you fix first the two screw you take out from the on and off side here. Make sure the connector rests properly. Okay, you replace the two screw there first. See, it's easy for you to know where the screw is because you already packed them very nice. You have to be very skillful to do it. Okay, then replace this other one also. Yeah. Okay, make sure this connector is not tight on the screw. Okay, remove it. Just push it a bit. No need to remove all. Push it a bit so it don't become tight under the screw. Okay, or you can hold it like this with your hand because it's not too tight. It's not like flexible. Just hold it with your hand like this and tie the screw first. You have to be very, very skillful to do this thing. Okay, tight it there. Tight it properly. Okay, then you test the on and off and see if it's working. Okay, here the sound is working. Okay, then you leave all this connects, so make sure then you put them back very straight how it is. Make sure you make them lie down properly, exactly how you take them. Okay, you just rest this one very nice like this. If your back cover is never break, you just make the mic rest exactly to the point. Okay, just make it rest like this perfectly. Okay, now you fix back the cover you take out from the top here. This one, put it back very nice, exactly how you take it. This cover have a clip, you just have to slide the clip from the side, then you screw the other side like this. Okay, put the screw first, this one, the black head. Okay, then screw the other one there. That's why it's good to pack the screws exactly how you take them. It's more easy for you to do it. Doing this way, you don't need to be rushed. You have to have all the time to do it. iPhone have different screw, you see, different screws. So you have to make sure you get all the tools so it will be easy for you to do. Okay, place this screw here. To do it, you have to be very, very skillful. Okay, after you do that one, very nice. Okay, then you fix back this one, fix it back. This the face ID and the front camera. Okay, fix them back exactly how you take them. Make sure they go inside this panel here like this. Okay, Make sure the rest very nice, exactly how you take it. Okay. Then you fix back the back camera. Just lay it back like this, very nice. Okay. Put back the cover. Okay. Put back the cover very nice like this. Then you replace back the screw you take out. Okay. There's this other one also. When you pack the screws exactly like you take it, it's more easy for you to fix it because you already know where you put them. Okay. This one later I'll fix it when I fix the back glass. Okay. So now you fix the motherboard. Make sure the connectors all is up to fix the motherboard. All this connector is up, the on and off on is up, everything is up because they're all supposed to fix very nice. Just slide the connector up and put the motherboard down. Okay. Just slide them down, up, put the motherboard very nice. Okay. Before you start fixing the screws, make sure you fix the connectors first so they will get the right position. Okay. Fix this one first, the on and off. Make sure you fix it very nice. Make sure you clip properly. Okay. You have to be very skillful to do it. Fix all the connector. So many connector. Fix all. When you fix them, you feel that this one already fixed. You feel the clip. This one already fixed very nice. Okay. You feel it. You feel it that it rests properly. This one already fixed properly. Okay. After you fix this three connector, you put back this panel you take out there under here. Put this panel back. Okay. Don't forget this panel have clip here. You make sure this clip go inside. Just push it and put it in. Okay. Then you replace back the one screw there. Like this. Okay. Then now you fix this other connector here. Okay. Make sure you fix all the connectors. Camera on. Fix this one back. When you fix the connector, you feel it that is inside because you feel how the connector go down. Fix all. Okay. Very nice. Like this. Very nice like this. Okay. Already fixed. You replace back this one screw here. Top like this, very nice. Okay, after you finish the top there, you come down here also. So many connectors here also you need to fix. Fix this one first, very nice. Fix this one also, very nice. Use your hand to fix it so it will be more easy. The battery one is the last one you need to fix. Okay, this one you don't need to fix yet. You have to fix first the sim base before you fix the charging system connector. Because you see the connector is there, you have to fix that one down there first. So fix this one, fix it very nice. Use your hand, you fix it very nice. Okay, and now you replace the screw you take. See, when you replace the screw exactly how you take it, it's easy for you to put back because you know that already this screw is from this side. Okay, put back this panel here and you place the screw inside. Okay, very nice. After you fix those connectors very nice. Okay, now you put the panel there. You close it first before you fix the charging system connector. Put this panel first here. Okay, replace this on screws. Fix this one. iPhone have different type of screwdriver, so you have to make sure you get all the tools. so you don't get confused, that you don't get strained to do it. Okay, fix this one. Then now you fix the charging system connector. So you fix it very nice. When you fix it, you feel it. This one already fixed. Okay. Then now you fix the LCD. Make sure you get the right position for the connector before you press it down. When you fix it, you feel the connector already fixed. You hear the sound sometimes cut, already fixed. Fix this one. The speaker one. Okay. Okay. Fix it very nice. Okay. Then now you fix the battery. The battery is the last one you need to fix. Okay. Fix it very nice. Okay. Then you put the cover. You place all the screw you take out. Okay. Leave any screw behind. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay. Fix the cover also. Fix it very nice. You place the screw very nice. Straight it. Okay. So fix the other screws. You need to raise the LCD cable up a bit like this, slide it so you can so you can see the place there to fix it. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay. You place everything. You close it nice. Okay. Start closing from the top. Make sure the top is rest. Close it down. Okay. Don't forget put back the SIM tray. You place back the two screw you take out. Okay. Now you on the phone. On the phone. Phone is on. The on and off is okay now. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.